Hello everyone, this is Gary from Fantastic Fundas and we are doing 12th May 2015 current affairs. This is IR section. Now this is a brilliant article. This is about the foreign policy of India overall. Now before I tell you what is Modi ji doing in our foreign policy and what all is happening here, I'll tell you little about what our history had to say, what Nehru said. See, Ministry of External Affairs said these words on 5th September 1946. I will speak them quote unquote, and you can actually quote this in your answer when you write anywhere. Whatever the present position of India might be, she is potentially a great power. Undoubtedly, in the future, she will have to play a very great part in the security problems of Asia and the Indian Ocean, more especially of the Middle East and Southeast Asia. Indeed, India is the pivot around which these problems will have to be considered. India is the center of security in Asia. These lines were written by the freshly appointed Vice President of Viceroy's Executive Council, because this is 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru, and that was the reality of the moment. ठीक है जी, नेहरू ने उस टाइम पर कहा था कि आने वाले समय में भारत यकीनन एक बहुत बड़ी इंटरनेशनल पावर बनेगा उस टाइम पे, और कहा था कि एशिया की और इंडियन ओशन की और खास तौर पे मिडिल ईस्ट और साउथ ईस्ट एशिया के अंदर जो मुद्दे उठेंगे उनके अंदर इंडिया का रोल बढ़ेगा, खास तौर पे सिक्योरिटी प्रॉब्लम्स को लेके. एंड ट्रस्ट इट और नॉट, लाइक मोर देन 50 years 60 years आफ्टर दैट वी आर डूइंग दिस. नाउ व्हाट आर द न्यू इनिशिएटिव टेकन बाय मोदी? Now he has done a lot of new things. For example, first SAARC members came to oath. जब oath taking ceremony हुई थी ऑलमोस्ट ये एक साल पहले, आज से 2014 में ओबामा को रिपब्लिक डे पे बुला लिया जी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर खुद बन के उसे बुला लिया. हमने कहा फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम कॉल्ड फॉर पीस, स्टेबिलिटी एंड ऑर्डर इन ओशंस, आउटर स्पेस एंड साइबर स्पेस. हमें तीनों जगह पे यहाँ पे पीस चाहिए, स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए, ऑर्डर चाहिए. India to lead fight against climate change, trips to so many other nations, we all know that. And now he's gone to China, Mongolia and South Korea also. So this all is happening. Abhi this we should remember this. What is new? One is SAARC, one is Republic Day, call for peace, call fighting climate change, trips to all those nations, whatever you can recall. Australia, for example, we went to Australia, right? We went to Germany. We went to Canada. I mean Modi ji, right? Not we. And etc. Like few all these nations. Then you can talk about and now he's gone to China, Mongolia, South Korea. He is on a world tour. So what is expected of him? Now if we ensure that there is no war scenario in neighborhood, हमारे आसपास कोई लड़ाई ना कर रहा हो, and we have the ability to shape the rules and not just block the rules in global institution, and then we will be able to make India the third largest economy. This is why we are doing all this international affair. People do not know कि जी मोदी जी इतना घूम रहे हैं, क्यों घूम रहे हैं? इसलिए घूम रहे हैं. थर्ड लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बनाएंगे. We play a role in the emerging multipolar world, right? This is what is happening now. But this is a problem of chaos. ऐसे नहीं हो जाएगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स भी हैं सारे की. पहली प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे ईस्ट में. देखें इंडिया की ईस्ट में जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट्स वाली होती है उससे और ईस्ट में अगर आप देखें क्या हो रहा है वहां पे. चाइना अपना, वहां पर चाइना है, अगर आप उस तरफ को जाएंगे तो सी दिस इज इंडिया, राइट? इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी रफ मैप. नाउ हियर इज चाइना, राइट? दिस इज ईस्टर्न साइड, दिस इज वेस्टर्न साइड, दिस इज नॉर्थर्न साइड. Now here is China. What is happening with China? They are having their influence all over the countries, right? This is their sphere of influence everywhere. They're impacting everyone. The Chinese, China. Now, and plus they are claiming disputed territories in Asia Pacific region. And if you go very far off, there is Japan, and they are claiming all the islands over there. And if we come to western side of it, this is the western side, and this side, what do we have? We have Pakistan and China having great friendship, in which we do not have much say. Then in the north, what do we have? In the north, we have Russia over there, right? If India is here, Russia is there, right? This is India's location, that is Russia. In the north we have Russia. It is a long-term friend of India, no doubt about it. But then Russia herself is under restrictions because Russia attacked a country called Ukraine, and in fact also occupied part of it, and thus countries like USA were very far off, and countries like UK, they have put sanctions against Russia for violating international peace. So they cannot do much. Now if we beyond India move beyond, we talk about Islamic terrorism is there, that's a major threat to world peace. Then Indian hostages are still in captivity in Iraq, and high profile, we know these naval operations we did, Operation Rahat and all that we did Operation Rahat in Yemen. So similarly the operations went on in Iraq, Kuwait. Now their complexity shows how big the chaos is. But this is like international chaos. We have chaos within India also, because of which our foreign policy is not moving the way it should. हमारे दुनिया भर में तो मुसीबतें खड़ी हो रही, हमारे घर में भी मुसीबत है इंडिया के. क्या है? पहली बात, we do not have capacity. How many foreign servants are there? Foreign people are there into foreign services. See, we are the smallest, not only among the G20 groups. G20 groups के देखे से कंपेयर करें, या फिर ब्रिक्स नेशन, ब्राजील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना, साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ कंपेयर करें, we have one of the smallest capacity of foreign policy establishment. Government has started taking steps, the recent government, but this will take some time. Second thing, MEA also lacks an institutionalized process of policy planning. Can you beat this? Our new Foreign Secretary Shri S. Jaishankar ji, when he asked from his senior officers कि भैया who takes the overall foreign policy decision, everyone was quiet about it, no one answered it. so you know, this is big embarrassment for India. And third is, New Delhi is not effective in involving state government as stakeholders in foreign policy. Foreign policy as such is a foreign policy. Foreign policy is part of Union List, right? Union List. Union List is that list under Schedule 7, and this is first list 1. Now this is that list which contains the subjects on which only center can make the law or center can tackle it, but there has to be some help, cooperation with the states. Foreign policy cannot run alone. So in vacuum it cannot run. So because we share border with so many countries, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Russia, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, so many of them, Sri Lanka, so we need states cooperation also, right? Now recently we had West Bengal and Bangladesh issue. West Bengal was not cooperating earlier. Now then we had Sri Lanka and Tamil Nadu issues. So what we have done, we have established a new foreign ministry division. This is important. Foreign Ministry Division नाम की एक division बनाई गई है to increase engagement between center and state. और every senior foreign service officer has been asked to work closely with at least 2 states to ensure their interest in foreign policy process. So सबको साथ लेके चलेंगे. जो सबका साथ सबका विकास अगर आपको आ जाता है, पेपर में ऐसे आ जाए, so that includes this dimension also, right? This is right. I'll just write it. When we say सबका साथ सबका विकास, this is not over without taking into limelight, taking into attention this fact also. So you must mention this also. So what is the conclusion? There is much chaos, but initiatives hopefully would work, but this will take some time, probably 1 more year. So that is it. If you like the video, go and share it on your Facebook, and you can subscribe to our channel for all future videos. This of course remains free, whatever we have uploaded. And that is all. Thank you for watching.